In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your password on Eventbrite. If you signed up and wondered why you never created a password, don't worry. Eventbrite often lets you start with a quick login method and you can set a password afterward. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that so you can sign in with a password next time. First, head to the Eventbrite website and log into your account as you normally would. Use the same email you registered with. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Hover over it, then click on Account Settings. This is where you can manage all your personal details and security preferences. Inside Account Settings, find and select the password option. On the password page, you'll see a button that says Set Password. Click that. Instead of asking you to type a new password right there, Eventbrite will send you a secure link by email to complete the process. This helps confirm that you're the rightful owner of the account before any changes are made. Now switch over to your email inbox associated with your Eventbrite account. Look for the message from Eventbrite with instructions to set your password. Open that email, click the link inside, and follow the on-screen steps. You'll be prompted to create a new password and confirm it. Aim for something unique and strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so your account stays protected. After you submit, you should see a confirmation message letting you know your password has been successfully set. That's it. From now on, you can log in with your email and your new password. If the email doesn't show up right away, here are a few quick checks. Look in your spam or junk folders in case it was filtered there. Give it a few minutes. Sometimes these automated messages take a little time to arrive. And double check that you're signed in with the correct email address, the same one linked to your Eventbrite account. If needed, return to the password page and click Set Password again to resend the link. Once you're done, you'll have a reliable way to sign in and manage your events securely. Keep your new password private and consider storing it in a trusted password manager so you don't lose track of it. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to use Eventbrite with a password you control.